Hello. Just so you can see what I'm doing, it's a little bit easier to see what I'm doing when I'm using this program called Fritzing rather than just using my video camera to show you. So what I'm going to do is we're going to make our first circuit here. Our first circuit, we're going to need a battery case with two AA batteries. We're going to need a resistor. I'm using a 330 ohm resistor, 330, and we're going to have an LED, and then we're going to use some wires as well. So first off, what I want to do is talk about how an LED has um, two wires coming out of it. And one of the wires, one of the leads is a little bit longer than the other one. So what uh, we want the electricity from the battery that is positive to go to the long one. And then it the circuit's not going to work unless it goes through the whole circuit and comes back to the negative side of the battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up and I'm going to rotate. Actually, um, that's not so bad. Uh, so the long side is going to go into this hole, and the negative side, the, the cathode, is going to go into this hole. So first, I need my positive electricity. I'm going to flip this around just so it's easier to see since I have the positive over here. I'm going to take my positive cord or wire and have it go here. And since my positive is coming through here, it's going to connect to this since they're on the same row. You see how that green has them all lit up? Hopefully that's connected. And then it's going to come up, the electricity is going to come, and it's going to die there. Well, what we wanted to do is we wanted to connect from here to somewhere else and go back to the ground. So I'm going to rotate this again, and I am going to continue where we left off with this. And so now when the electricity comes through, it's going to come through, and I'm going to move this just a little bit higher just so you can see what's happening. And now it's going to go, and now it's going to flow through this row. So just so you know what's happening, the electricity is coming through here, going through the LED, going to this next row, and then coming through our resistor, and now it's flowing through all of these holes in the breadboard. Now we just need to hook it up to our ground, our negative lead, and now once you do that, this light should turn on because it's making a whole loop and coming back to the battery.